following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Adams, Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, Lancaster, Lebanon, Montour, northern Lycoming, Northumberland, Perry, Schuylkill, Snyder, southern Lycoming, Sullivan, Tioga, Union, and York. When? From Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: rainfall totals of 1.5 to 3 inches are forecast across the watch area Sunday into Monday, with the heaviest rain falling overnight on Sunday. Periods of higher hourly rainfall rates will be possible Sunday night into Monday morning, which could cause locally enhanced flooding, especially in urban areas. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. This is NOAA.